the West Asian crisis pushed Brent crude above $100 per barrel, fuel prices surged across several countries, with Myanmar witnessing increases of up to 112%, the US around 45%, and Pakistan above 50%. India, however, limited the rise in petrol and diesel prices to around 3%. For 76 days, public sector oil companies absorbed significant losses instead of immediately passing the global shock to consumers. The 3 rupee revision announced in May marked the first major increase in nearly 4 years, reflecting India's energy planning, diversified imports and policy response. The Chhattisgarh government has launched a unique 24-hour ration ATM aimed at making food grain distribution more convenient and accessible for beneficiaries. The automated machine has a storage capacity of around 2,500 kilograms and is designed to load and dispense rice through an automated system. The initiative is expected to streamline ration distribution, reduce waiting times and provide greater flexibility to beneficiaries. The move also highlights the government's efforts to modernize public welfare delivery through technology and automation. The Gujarat Forest Department, with technical support from Green's Zoological Rescue and Rehabilitation Centre and Vantara, has released 20 blackbucks, Antilope cervicapra, into the Banni grasslands of Kutch. The release included 5 males and 15 females, transferred from Vantara in Jamnagar. The conservation initiative was carried out following requisite approvals from the Chief Wildlife Warden, Gujarat, and the Central Zoo Authority. The move aims to strengthen blackbuck conservation and support the restoration of native wildlife populations within the ecologically significant Banni landscape. India's indigenous defense innovation ecosystem has achieved another milestone with Kawa UAV Private Limited. Hoverit, successfully conducting a flight test of the Divyastra Mk3. The next generation, jet-powered loitering munition has been developed in India and is designed to strengthen precision strike capabilities. The successful flight highlights the country's growing expertise in advanced unmanned aerial systems, propulsion and autonomous technologies. The development also reflects increasing private sector participation in India's defense manufacturing sector and its broader push towards self-reliance in critical military technologies. A Chinese maglev train has reportedly set a new speed record by accelerating to 800 km per hour in just 5.3 seconds during a high-speed test. The achievement marks the first reported instance of a maglev train reach 800 km per hour, bringing its speed close to that of a passenger jet. The breakthrough highlights rapid advances in high-speed rail technology and magnetic levitation systems.